Let us start. So if the first directive is define, these are the basic kind of directives which you can get. Define. Define means you have to understand the various components. Like अगर GS में question आता है, define artificial intelligence. Okay, define artificial intelligence. तो पता होना चाहिए कि what is artificial intelligence. तो define में एक जो major aim होता है, you should understand the basic definition. Okay, like they can ask you a question, define continental system of Napoleon. So you should know what was this continental system, what were the essential elements of that, and then throw light on its impact on Europe. So they have used two keywords here, or two directives. Define भी पूछ लिया and throw light on its impact. Okay, these are the basic keywords. इसमें समझने में ज़्यादा दिक्कत आती भी नहीं है. Here, the structure of the answer is going to be very simple. You can start your introduction just with the basic definition of continental system. Okay. While doing so, you can even make a map of continental Europe and how the embargo was put on the British. They were not allowed to come towards this territory for trading purposes. Okay. So definition in these questions, the basic components should be remembered by you. यहाँ पे डेफिनेशन नहीं आएगी तो आपके मार्क्स कटेंगे. दिस विल बिकम एन इम्पॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट ऑफ आंसर चेकिंग, है ना. कभी को अगर मान लो क्वेश्चन आ जाए कि डू यू थिंक कॉन्टिनेंटल सिस्टम वाज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डिक्लाइन ऑफ नेपोलियन, so here even if you do not define continental system, you can just write some basic introduction, चल जाएगा. But when they have asked specifically define, it would be appropriate if you start with the definition of that keyword and then go further into the second part of the answer. These are the basic keywords. Okay, so define means to describe or explain. Basic यही है कि nature of something clearly and precisely. The aim would be to provide a clear and accurate understanding. Clear and accurate understanding is very important because somebody when they ask कि भाई definition बताओ और आप उल्टी सीधी कहानियाँ सुनाने लग गए कि सर वो पूछते हैं कि what is artificial intelligence, sir intelligence which is artificial. Now this is not a definition. Okay, तो वो आपको समझ अच्छे से डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा. द चॉइस ऑफ वर्ड इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक व्हेन दे से कि डिफाइन सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट, so the definition should be very good when such questions come. Okay, and it should provide clear concept and idea about that term. It should not be haphazard. It should cover all the dimensions of the definition. That is very important part when such keywords are going to come. Okay, and the components define was identifying the essential qualities, characteristics, and presenting them in a clear and concise manner. So whichever concept are directly linked with that concept, that you have to write down. Like the continental system, it can be linked with the various decrees of Napoleon, है ना, कि उसमें मिलान डेक्री आता है, प्रूशियन डेक्री आती है, काफ़ी सारे डेक्रीज हैं, different orders, which eventually were then countered by the British. So those जो elements हैं of the continental system, they should be mentioned after the definition. The continental system started from this time period till this, and the major objective of the continental system was to put a trade embargo on Britain so that it can facilitate the rise of France as an industrial power as well as an unrivaled power in local geopolitics. This is what definition is all